everybody, my name's Owey and this is Noel and we're here to today we're making smoothies and make sure to subscribe every day, every night because we'll be there and today we're making 11 shakes.
You're making one shake each.
11, we're going to do 11.
We're going to do 11.
We're going to do 11, but we're going to do one at a time. And this will be a 2-hour show. And everybody knows that this will be a good show, and we hope you like it.
This is my bladder, and then this one is going to be the shakes, and this we're going to do the milk challenge. The milk challenge.
We're going to check out the Daily Harvest Smoothies, everyone. This is all we got, so make sure to be happy and thankful for us because we do anything for you. And we deliver. So I'm not going to do this one, but I will do this one because it's one of my favorites.
What is it?
It's a cucumber, banana, and seeds.
You like that?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
No, it's my
Pick which one you want.
turn. I like this. I like this one.
What's in it? Do you know what's in it?
Seeds in here. The seeds in there. No!
I'll just show everybody. It's not, you guys. It's not seeds.
And cherries.
No, it's not strawberries. It's raspberries and it's cherries. So first we got one, then we got all the rest.
Love it. Okay.
I love Daily Harvest Smoothies. We got what is this? We got vanilla, and we got coconut.
Or we got almond milk and we got coconut milk.
Almond milk and coconut. Step one, we're putting the top on.
Me.
Okay, everybody, step one, we're putting the top on.
Me.
Then we need the milk. And I'm gonna go with the almond coconut.
You're supposed to put the milk in the smoothie cup.
We're not.
Oh, okay.
No, that's not how you do it?
Nope.
You're going to dump it right into there?
First milk.
Is that enough?
Yep.
I'll drink some.
Do it.
I'll drink some too.
Let Noel drink some.
I'll pour it in your mouth.
No, don't.
Yeah.
Don't.
No?
Oh, don't put this in. Oh,
I put it into my mouth. Does anyone have a napkin?
Nope. Okay, now what?
Can you help me? Can you help me, Coco?
Are you slurping up the coconut milk? Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go next.
Next up, Owen.
Yes,
Next step, I'm going to do it. Well, I'm going to do it. It's my milk. And
Have Owen help you.
Let's mix them together.
so this is what it looks like, everybody. And if you want to do this, you can too. But it's pretty hard to open it, so ask permission.
I'll dip it up.
Okay, so then we pour this. Make sure to not have any of these because they're for our shakes. You put it all in there, then you. No, you know.
Why don't you mix them? Why don't you mix them?
Oh!
Better? Or?
Then you put the cap on. You put the cap on. You put the cap on. Is this how I put it on? You put the cap on. Then you do this, then you, wait, which button is it again?
So you're gonna do, let me see. So you're gonna flip this button on. Put a little bit more milk in it. So turn it off all the way. Turn it off. And then pull the thing out. Yep. And then put that on the table. And then put some milk in.
So coconut, can you do coconut? Where's the coconut? Here it is.
I think it's still going.
It is. It's fine.
Then when you turn it back on.
Get your mixer.
Get my mixer, get my mixer.
Good?
It tastes actually good.
Does it?
It's yuck.
It tastes a little good.
Can I smell it? Can I smell it?
But you could buy all these flavors. Next episode, we're actually gonna make big cake.
I'm gonna get 2 cups for you guys and you're gonna pour them in, okay?
Next episode, I'm gonna buy stuff for the cake and go to the store
This one. I want
earlier.
this one.
And I'm gonna have to drink the rest of this milk.
Can you pour your smoothies in the cup?
Oh.
Oh, I can actually pour them right back into the Daily Harvest Smoothies.
Seriously. And after this smoothie, we're gonna do another one. But since Melissa's too young and she's younger than me, but I'm the old one, so she's the younger one. But I'm gonna do this. Both of them.
Kill the straw. Kill the straw. Whoa.
Good.
Let's do some more. Oh, dang it, it dripped.
Kill the straw.
Why did you do that?
All right, taste them and tell us how it is.
Now. It has a little bit of vitamins in it, but it's good.
Yeah.
And it's good, and it's a little bad,
Yeah.
but it's actually very healthy for you, good in vitamins.
Would you recommend it for other kids to eat?
Mhm.
I did that earlier. No, I actually did.
You already recommended it?
Mhm.
So
And the blender was going.
After tasting it, I couldn't hear you. After tasting it, what do you think about telling other kids about it?
So you guys can do this at home. And then you're gonna make all these daily harvest smoothies. And you could also send it on YouTube.
Subscribe and you can watch it and thumbs up.
Make sure to do thumbs up. But if you don't like it, next time we'll get some markers at Michael's, and we'll do the 3 marker challenge, so you guys will like it.
Say thank you, Daily Harvest. Bye.
Thank you, Daily Harvest. Bye.
You do it too at the same time. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Daily
No,
Harvest. Bye.
my
You say it at the same time, okay?
Thank
One.
you, Harvest.
Hold on. After I say 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Daily